Hi, this is Jeff from Taylor & Son Chevrolet here in Ponderay, Idaho. I have a 2008 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited, a Sahara, trail capable, four-wheel drive. So I'm going to do a walk around right now, and we'll start at the driver's side front fender. Coming up, looking at the wheels, it's got a little bit of mag chloride on the wheel, a little bit rough there. That's kind of typical for some of the roads. The undercarriage looks good. No rust. Looks like it had been coated. The fender, there's a slight scratch here. Little chip here on the that you can see with a little bit of rust. The windshield looks good. The hood coming across the front looks good. I don't see any chips. A little bit of rain today. Same thing with the front grille. The bumper looks good. No dents. And so coming around to the driver's side door, mirror is clean, door is clean. Very nice. And the running board, no dents, scratches. And the passenger door behind the driver's side, everything seems to be nice, clean there on that. There's a little bit of paint missing here on the top. As you can well see, there's a little scuff mark here on the fender. A little bit of scuff mark, being a Jeep off-road vehicle. Missing a little bit of paint here and a little bit here on the top, easily fixed. Come around the back side. It's equipped with a 4-pin trailering plug, class 4 hitch. And coming up the back side, nice and clean. A little bit of corrosion there on the wheel. Looking at the carpet here in the back. Clean. Seats down. Got our speakers. Everything looks good. It is a 2008 Wrangler, but it's in pretty good shape. Now the right rear fender and top. Slight little scratch right there. Scuff mark here. Coming up the side here. There's a little bit of paint missing on the top there. And coming down to the passenger side rear door. Looks fairly clean, with the exception of a little scuff mark here. Probably could buff that out. Running board looks clean. And front passenger door looks good. Moving up to the front fender, little S missing here on the Sahara, but no scuffs or marks on the fender. Looks nice and clean. So on the passenger side interior, little wear here on the carpet, but that's just a mat. Things look good there. Dash, a little bit of a scratch mark there. Scuff marks on the glove box. And door looks clean. Okay, rear passenger side, seat is down. Back up. Little bit of a mark there on the seat. Mats and floor look good. Headliners. Okay. Moving to the driver's side. And here's the front wheel, which I did not take a picture of. Looks like it's got a little scarring right here. And moving to the right rear, a little bit of scarring here. All right, we'll move to the driver's side wheel. Driver's side, we have a little bit of scarring on the wheel, and same thing here with the front, right front. Now moving to the interior, driver's seat, a little bit of wear right here, mainly scuff marks. Driver's side door, it's got a few little scuffs. Steering wheel, smooth, no blemishes. The gauges all look good. We're looking at 94,480 on the odometer. It is a manual transmission, 6-speed. And moving to the driver's rear door, a little bit of scuff marks here on the plastic, and seat looks fine on this side. And so that just about does it on that walk around. So that's Jeff here at Taylor & Son Chevrolet. Just wanted to let you know that this 2008 Jeep Wrangler is available. If you have any questions, give me a call, 208-290-1957.